But look, listen though.
You're a lawyer?
I am.
No, can I ask you a question?
Salary.
No, he's
So listen, no, on a serious note.
Yeah, what's up?
So boom, I got hit by 18 with it 2 weeks ago, right?
If the 18-wheeler hits you, you can sue the truck driver.
Yeah, no, I didn't really want to sue the truck driver.
You have to. You can't sue an insurance company. You have to sue the person that caused the accident.
Yeah.
So the driver of the truck is the person that caused the accident. So you sue him personally, and then you can sue his company for like their negligence in hiring him and for owning the vehicle. Yeah. But you have to go after a person.
I didn't want to, I didn't
How
want to
many
sue
years have you been
him.
in school?
Sorry?
How many years have you been in school?
Have I been in school?
How many years?
I went 4 years for undergrad, then 3 years for law school.
Because I didn't want to like sue him personally.
You have to sue him personally.
I didn't want to.
But you have to sue you have to sue the person that did the wrongdoing. You have to sue the person that did the wrong thing, right?
Oh my God! I think somebody broke into the Lambo. I just got an alert on my phone.
Yeah, you gotta sue the actual person that caused the accident. You can't sue the company's responsible if they hired someone that had a bad driving record, or they're responsible if they have like negligent hiring practices, or if they have a really bad safety requirement. They're responsible for those kinds of things. But the driver of the truck is the person that caused the accident. So in Georgia, at least, you have to sue the driver, right?
He is insured.
But that's
so
not.
Well, yeah. So
It's not going to affect him.
No. So like the way it works is,
I didn't want to.
Oh yeah. Also, I don't know why I'm still sitting down. Sorry. The way it works is, if you and I get into a car accident, right? I sue you personally.
Right.
Your name on the lawsuit, I file the lawsuit against you.
Right.
Okay? Then you notify your insurance company.
Mm-hmm.
Your insurance company will hire a lawyer for you to defend you against the lawsuit against me.
Right.
Then they will, if liability is clear, try to offer a settlement or something like that to make me happy.
Right.
If they don't, or we can't arrange something, then it would go to like trial, right? At trial, there's no conversation about insurance. You can't bring that up. It's called collateral source.
Right.
So the jury thinks that they're going to be giving me money out of your pocket. That's how the jury is presented to them, right? Correct. But if I get a judgment against you, then the insurance company will pay that judgment as long as that amount is within the policy limits that you have. So if I sue you and you've got $50,000 insurance, and then the jury gives me $100,000, I get 50 grand from your insurance, and then you got to come up with the other 50 grand. If I have uninsured motorist coverage or underinsured motorist, then my coverage would cover the remaining $50,000 that didn't get paid.
Commercial vehicles have to have like
the threshold for higher insurance is higher. So yeah, so if he hit you, you can sue him personally, right? And you can add the company for being the owner operator of the vehicle, but he won't be the one paying you unless he was doing like driving the vehicle not for work, off hours, or like doing something grossly negligent, like just driving the truck for shits and giggles. Yeah, he was just like taking his kid on a trip to blow the big horn, right? Then it would be his fault. But if he was doing a delivery, driving like he was supposed to be, then the commercial insurance policy will cover it.
I'm human. I don't want to mess him up.
Yeah, it's not going to come out of his pocket. It's going to the judgment will be paid by the insurance company, so long as he was acting within the course and scope of his employment.
You got a card or anything?
Nope, I don't hand out cards. I don't solicit business out here. I'm just trying to help people.
Yeah, but I mean, I be knowing a lot of people, and you said you're a lawyer.
He's out here.
So
I am.
Send you business.
No. So what I do is, like, most people don't need a lawyer. They got a problem. They don't know where to start. So like once or twice a month, me and the dog, we set up somewhere in the city. Let people ask questions about problems they have, and I try to point them in the right direction. They can help themselves. We put them online. We record them, because if you got a question, somebody else does too. And I'm just trying to this is how I help my community. But I got enough business. I got enough clients. I don't need to solicit business. I'm not out here making money. I'm out here trying to help people. Yep. So I'm not giving out cards. I'm not asking for business. I'm not nothing. Just giving back to the community. Thanks for stopping by, my guy.
So I really had that question, but I didn't want to ask the lawyer that I was dealing with.
Yeah. I get it.
It was. I thought it was maybe gonna be.
This is why we do what we do. We're just trying to democratize access to information.
Ready? I think you got a lot of information.
Yeah, for sure. No, he put me on game. For sure.
Yeah. That was something we talked about.
I need it, but I didn't know.
So now you know that he didn't have to call.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can look up that number. He said, "Oh no, thank you."
Yeah.